I have found some of the best Amazon items that I have brought on the cruise that I am unfortunately ending. Now, honestly, I do wish that I had found them sooner. Hi there, I'm Ilana from the website lifewellcruise.com. Welcome back to my channel. Now on this channel, I share cruise information, cruise tips, cruise reviews, and you know what? I also share some Amazon finds and just some things that you may want to bring on a cruise. Everything from travel essentials to some fashion finds. Now in this video, I do have some items that I have brought on this cruise, worn on this cruise, both myself, my husband, my son Ethan, some really good things that I want to share with you. But before I get started, I did want to mention two things. First, the links to all of the different items that I'm mentioning in today's video are going to be found down in the description below. And if you like this video, if you find it helpful, informative, or enjoyable in any way, then please do give this video a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Let's get started. Okay, I want to start off with the first thing, and these are door magnet decorations. Now, there are quite a few different ones that you can get. I got a set that included like these bigger ones and also some small little ones. Honestly, the price is fantastic. And I do think if you're going on a cruise, I am seeing, like at least on the ship that I'm on now, a lot of people are decorating their cabin doors. And in our case, we did a family cruise, so we brought both our grown sons and their girlfriends. And I made a little bag for each of them with kind of cruise stuff, and I included the door magnets. They actually said that it was so fun to decorate their door. All right, next. If you like to bring some perfume or some cologne, just a scent on a cruise, these are perfume atomizers. And this one is new. I thought I would try it out. I love the look of it. Now, I bought a package of 3, and they are very, very easy to fill. Easier. I've had another type of atomizer for probably about 5 years. This is much easier to fill. And the nice thing is when you're not using it, so when you pack it up, it just goes right down like this. And again, I do think it makes a really nice gift, even if you are kind of gathering items, even for the future. I really like this. Okay, now for one of my favorite finds, I got a new straw basket bag. Now I'm going to show you what makes this so unique and so good. Now, some of you know that I do have a straw bag that I absolutely love. I oftentimes do get asked about it. It's by the brand Loewe, and I bought it in Barcelona, and truthfully, it was a splurge. And I don't even like to use that one on the beach because it is, you know, it's pretty pricey, although goodbye, because it's held up very, very well. That being said, if I'm going to the beach, if I'm walking around in a Caribbean cruise port, I don't want to walk around with something very pricey. I found this one on Amazon. Now let me show you why I like it so much. Now on the inside, it is like very roomy. I've got a whole bunch of stuff in it, but you have, look at that. You've got like a lining that kind of comes out like a bag, and it's a drawstring on top. So what you can do when you're in port, and honestly, it's not even just for in port. Like these are very, very trendy. So you can just like tie this up. Nobody sees it, and you've got your bag that you can put your sunscreen in, your wallet, and everything else. And by the way, I think this one also came with like a little scarf. I didn't tie it on, but that would be something nice to do as well. Oh, and by the way, the dress that I am wearing, it is new, and I really like it as well. It's just something a little bit colorful, so I think it's great. I'm going to include a link to that down below in the video. And this is what I'm wearing tonight, which is unfortunately the last day of my cruise. I have to say, I think I need to do a back-to-back in the future. Did one a few years ago, and just about now, I wish I had. Let me know, please, if you've ever done a back-to-back, or if you want to, let me know down in the comments below. Okay, so the next item is a strapless bathing suit. I love this bathing suit. Now it does come with a little strap, so if you prefer a little strap, you've got it. But honestly, I find it does tuck the tummy in just a little bit, so it's great. Now I've been wearing this bathing suit with a black sort of sarong, a little sheer one. And personally, I think that that has been a pretty good look for the cruise. Now, the other bathing suit that I bought is with a little skirt attached. So also really, you know, it's black, but I actually wanted to get it in brown, but unfortunately it wouldn't have arrived in time for my cruise. So anyway, I really like this. It does have the skirt attached, so it is a little bit modest, but it looks like it's a wraparound, but you can wear it right into the water. Let's talk about the guys. So we were lucky enough, we found this Lacoste shirt. Now, it's actually a little bit of a sports shirt, the fabric, so really, really good. And oftentimes we have found that Lacoste, the brand, can be very well priced on Amazon. So if you like the brand, keep an eye out for that. But I will leave this shirt down in the description below the video, as well as a pinned comment. Now, this is a shirt that Frank wore. I think he wore it at Princess K's earlier in the week. So also on Amazon, I happen to like this brand. It's called Kufandi. So if you are looking for men's items, the quality is actually quite good for the price. And Frank has a knit, sort of almost like a polo style knit by them, and some other shirts, and so does Ethan as well, our other son as well. But anyway, this is a little tropical shirt, so this is great, and it kind of does keep you cool, especially if you are going to one of the islands or anywhere Caribbean and hot. Now, this is not new, but I did use the large hanging toiletry bag for this cruise, so I wanted to show it to you, because oftentimes I either use the medium or I have a smaller version that I use sometimes. But this time, we actually drove to Florida before our cruise, so I really wanted to have, you know, full-size toiletries. I wanted to have a little bit more room for items. I've got to still pack this up now, but this has been absolutely perfect. Now, something else I got, and this is obviously not only for a cruise, but gotta turn it the right side. So this is for the hair, and it's sort of like a satin material, and it does take all of the moisture after you wash your hair and you condition it. It takes all of the moisture out. But what I have found, it's by the brand Kitsch, by the way, is it actually has left my hair softer and less frizzy, especially I've been in the Caribbean, I've been in Florida. So I tried this out. I absolutely love it, and I did want to share it with you. Now, by the way, after I am going to show you some things that I brought and did not wear or even use at all on my cruise. But first, let's go through this. Okay, I got this little black cardigan. It's by the brand Grace Karen. I have it in white, I have it in off-white, I have it in red, I have it in brown. Left those at home. But I bought it in black because I do have a couple of outfits that I thought this went with. So this was really good, and honestly a very good quality. So I like it. Good at home. Love this brown dress. Love it, love it, love it. So super comfy. I have worn it during my cruise. And, you know, I've worn it in Florida too. I absolutely love it. And it does have pockets. Now, one of my new favorite dresses. I think I might actually buy it in blue as well. Love, 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 love this color. Now, just to let you know, everything else that I have is in the size small. But this one I have in medium. I do find that this band that's sort of around the upper waist, I guess, I bought it in small and it was too small. So this, I would say size up if you want to buy it, and do adjust the straps. But this is a size medium. Now, I bought this dress, and honestly, the colors were a little bit different, but I just loved it when I saw it. So I took a chance and I bought it. And let me know what you think. I honestly hesitated because I did return some different items, but I decided to keep this one. I mean, look, I do think personally it would be better on me if I lost 10 pounds, being completely honest. But I also have a philosophy that I think we have to wear what we like. We have to wear what we feel comfortable in and what makes us feel happy. And I also think that everybody looks good on a cruise. All right, now let's get back to the guys. Ethan got an amazing top that I don't think you would even think is from Amazon, because we were in Abercrombie, we were in Hollister, and they had this style of top for significantly more money. So this top, available on Amazon, Ethan just got it, so I think it really is very stylish, and that look is really in. And by the way, he also got the bathing suit that he is wearing on Amazon, so I'm going to leave the links to those below. Now, I know a question that I get asked often is, what do you do when you're wearing strapless items? What do you do in terms of a bra? So just to let you know, I have a couple of strapless bras, and honestly, I have gotten them from Amazon. And people who have actually purchased them from my links, they have said that they are very comfortable. They really couldn't believe it. So I am going to leave the link to the bra that I use. Personally, I think it's good. Now, the other thing is, this is shapewear. I think it's by the brand Shapermint. And I was not usually a fan of shapewear, just in terms of, I don't want to be uncomfortable. That's bad for me. And super comfortable, and it does seem to help. Okay, now keeping it real, I wore a lot of the items that I brought on the cruise, but no, I did not wear everything. So I have this entire packing cube, okay? Still love the packing cube. This is by the brand Bag Smart, so I'll also leave this down below. I actually have 2 sweatshirts in here. One of them is actually from Amazon. The other's from Lululemon. No, I did not wear sweatshirts. I did not wear leggings. And yeah, I have 2 pairs of jeans. 1 pair of blue jeans, 1 pair of cream-colored denim, and a couple of like little tops. Do you think that I wore them? No, I did not. I feel like I should learn already, but you never know if it's going to be cold. So honestly, look at how much I did not wear. So maybe that was a fail on my part. Let me know, am I alone on this, that you overpack the just in case? Let me know down in the comments below. Now, I'm going to leave the links to all of the items that I shared with you in today's video down below in the description, as well as a pinned comment. And I hope that you did enjoy this video. If you did, please do give it a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Bye for now, and happy cruising.